Now it's time to find the first link in an article. This might be the trickiest part of the program to write because I'm not sure exactly how to write it yet. A lot of a programmer's time is spent looking for existing solutions, either in libraries or in help forums like Stack Overflow. The real art of programming, though, and the real challenge, is solving new problems like this one. And the only way to solve unsolved problems is to try. I'll start by finding the first link with my browser's developer tools. Then I'll try to find it again with Beautiful Soup. So here's a random article about a Mr. McNeely, and this first link is to the Ireland article. I'll inspect this link with the developer tools. Okay, so the link is in this anchor tag, which is inside this paragraph tag, which is inside this div tag. The div tag has the ID MW content text. When I highlight this div, I can see that it contains the article's text, but not anything else like Wikipedia's logo or the menus. This seems like the right place to search for links, so I'll try to find it again with Beautiful Soup. Let's switch to a terminal and start the Python interpreter. I'm using the interpreter here so I can try out a lot of things quickly. I'm pretty sure I'll have to experiment for a while before I can figure out the right way to use Beautiful Soup. I could also experiment by writing a program and running it over and over again as I make changes to it. I prefer this interactive workflow though. First up, let's import the libraries we need. Now let's download the McNeely article I'm looking at in my browser. I'll print this HTML to make sure we got the right thing. Good, this looks like the Wikipedia article. This text is about Mr. McNeely. I double-checked because if I had made a mistake or if I had downloaded the wrong thing, I want to know that now, not later on when it would be harder to debug the problem. Now I'll feed this HTML into Beautiful Soup. Let's find that MW content text div. In order to look up a tag by ID, I need to use the find method like this. No errors. This is good. Now, I'll look for the first anchor tag inside of the first paragraph tag inside of this div. I'll press the up arrow on my keyboard to bring back the last command I entered so I can chain more search terms onto the command. Oh, cool. This is the link to the Ireland article, which is what we wanted. I really only want this URL though, not this whole anchor tag. I don't remember how to do that though, so I'll check Beautiful Soup's documentation. Oh, this exact situation is in the Quick Start section. It looks like I can use the get method on a tag as if it was a dictionary, and I use href as the lookup key. Let's try that. Great, there's our URL, now without any extra HTML around it. At this point, we could paste this code snippet into the program and call it a day. But if we did that, we would be bad programmers. Good programmers test their code. We know this works for this one particular article, but does it work for every article? Try this code on your own to find out. I'll put this Beautiful Soup code below so you can copy and paste it into your own terminal.